Hello YouTube. Today I am going to be rebuilding a brake caliper. This is a brake caliper on my 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, and as you can see I've already removed the piston. The piston just goes right down in there. Pretty simple. There's a flat O-ring, that's what's keeping it out right now. I'm going to put that in just a sec, or I'll pull that out in a second. I've already removed the bleeder valve. So the next thing you got to do is take some kind of a tool, and there's a flat O-ring in there. You got to remove that. You just get right down in there and hook that O-ring. And you pull that O-ring out. Okay. I bought a new, I call this a flat O-ring just because that's what a buddy of mine calls it. I don't really know what you call the thing, but it's a seal. It seals the caliper to the bore. Seals the piston to the bore of the caliper. And that's what you have. So, and I bought a new one. I'm just going to set this one right here for now. The next thing you got to do, I've already got my brake hone set up. Put that right down in there. Put a little bit of oil in there. Alright, I want you to get back in there. Put a little bit of oil on each one of these stones. Okay. And then all you do, you just give it a few. We're just giving it a light honing in here to clean up the surface a little bit. Alright. That's about all there is to it, really. As you can see, all the oil has flowed out of there, but that's okay. Clean up that oil. Now, get it nice and smooth in there. If you've got any kind of corrosion or anything, get everything nice and smooth. Now this piston is in great shape, but if you've got any kind of one tiny little pit mark right there, I'm not going to worry about that too much. But it's in great shape. But if you've got any kind of a ridge built up or any kind of little pitting on this piston, just take you some light sandpaper and clean that pitting off if there is any. This one here is in great shape, but it was stuck in the bore when I went to do my brake job, so I decided to hone it out just a little bit, make everything free up everything so it'll move again. Now that's just one step of this operation. Next thing to do, I will clean this up with some kind of brake cleaner, some kind of evaporative cleaner, and then I'm actually going to take and paint this black. And once that's all done, I will have part 2, and I will show you how to put this thing back together. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like these videos and subscribe.